Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. My name is DJ Kat, and today we are back with another miner. Now I know it's been a long time since I've done a miner video, but I've taken your feedback. You guys said only make a video about a very new early project, and here I am with something that you guys requested. This is brand new. We're talking about lowest contract balance out there. I'm gonna leave their links on the description. It's called Jiggly Bits. Now, this is a weird kind of theme, right? But there's always an audience for someone. It's called Jiggly Bits, and it's just another baked beans fork, obviously. And it's on the BNB smart chain, which is good. And it gives you 8% or up to 8%. So they're actually being honest here. And yeah, the dev fee is 3%. It's quite simple as that, to be honest, guys. The good thing, obviously, there is a Solidity Finance um, audit report, which is very good. I'm gonna leave that link in the description. You guys can read it. I've skimmed through it. Nothing too bad. It is just a medium finding, informational findings, which are obviously disregardable. The medium finding is basically fine. It's not that big of a deal. The most important thing that you have here is to make sure to not purchase strippers in multiple of 1,080,000. So we're gonna see this when I invest. I'm gonna have my 0.2. I'm gonna invest in this, and we'll see how it goes from there. It should be quite simple. And yeah, I'm also gonna leave the contract address link in the description as well. As you guys can see, it literally has one BNB. So yeah, once you connect, it also says it right here, reflects exactly how much there is. And yeah, we enter the wallet. We're gonna put in 0.2 BNB, right? I'm gonna leave the link to in description for the jigglybits.money website, right? If you wanna join it, you can click the link in the description. And yeah, simple as that. We're gonna deposit our 0.2 BNB, which will turn into buy strip club, right? Again, this is the theme that they're going on here. This might work for some certain type of people, but I'm here to just make money. You know what I mean? Whatever theme it is, I'm trying to get some of that back. So yeah, I'm gonna click buy strip club, and it should be as simple as that. Cheap transaction. That's good. And let's see how many strippers, right? It's gonna get us. I don't know what's the numbering here. But yeah, I'm excited because this is one of the news. I know, guys, it's been kind of rough in the crypto market lately. So it's nice to see something new pop up. Pay some gamble money. Let's see where this can go. Um, but yeah, definitely, obviously, guys, even with baked beans itself, right? Right now, the contract balance is going down. So people usually want to go for the next shiny thing, right? It's not like, oh, baked beans has been working for, the literally like almost half a year. So let's just stick to it. Unfortunately, people, that's not how it works. People these days, people want to go for the new trend, for the new shiny thing. So this could be under their spotlight. So you want to be here in the first people in the line. But again, take this at your own risk. This is very risky. This will not last. Just keeping that disclaimer out there. And yeah, so I'm gonna quickly refresh. I got myself 82,977 strippers. That's what they call it. That's their, internal token, right? And yeah, you can reinvest and you can claim it. It's as simple as that. The same UI that they're going for. And here's the light paper. We're gonna have a quick skim through, and then we're just gonna end the video right there. You guys, I don't want to waste any more of your time. I'm gonna keep these videos short so you can take action. Either you can invest in it, research in it, or you're out. Simple as that. I want to hear your thoughts. What's your choice that you're going to do? Tell me that in the comments below. And while you're at it, join our Telegram link in the description. It's called the Farmers Community, where we talk about, ROIs, DApps, miners are currently coming out. So we talk about drip, obviously. And so yeah, join that and say hello. I'll answer any of your questions, and I'll be happy to welcome you guys as well. So here, Jiggly Bits Miner, DeFi project on Binance Smart Chain. And then here as well, they just say verify the contract. The world's first decentralized strip club. So I don't know what they're gonna, their visions. This is what they're claiming, right? Buy, earn, claim, become an owner, and earn up to 8% daily rewards with as little as $5. So that's your minimum, right? How it works, which we all know how it works. Deposit BNB in exchange for strippers. Hire more strippers to increase profits. Yada yada yada. This is their wording. Make it rain to claim profits. Once BNB is deposited, your strippers will start making you 8% daily ROI. blah blah blah. We know how it works, right? And here, profits can be reinvested and withdrawn daily. Please note you cannot unstake BNB, only withdrawn profits. So obviously, whatever money you put in here is gone, it's locked in. The only way you can make it back is through your accumulated daily ROI, which is through the up to 8% daily percentage. So keep that in mind, guys. But yeah, I want to hear your thoughts. I've gotten comments where people say, you're too late about making a video about this project, or someone says, yo, can you please just give us a review on a project that's completely new? And obviously, right now we are in that early gainers advantage, or as in the normal business market they call it the early what was it? The early movers advantage, I think. So yeah, I'm first in line. Will you come after me? Link in the description. I want to hear your thoughts about this. And yeah, we'll see you in another video, guys. Thanks for watching. My name is DJ Khaled. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And bye bye.